Welcome back to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience using this tool. Today, we're taking a look at https://cryptotaxcalculator.io/fr, a platform designed to help you navigate the often complex world of cryptocurrency taxes. Calculating your crypto gains and losses can be a daunting task, especially with the fluctuating nature of the market and the various trading strategies employed. Cryptotaxcalculator.io aims to simplify this process, offering a streamlined approach to determining your tax obligations. This particular URL indicates the French version of the site, suggesting localized support for French users, which is a valuable feature for international investors. Navigating tax regulations in any country can be challenging, but when you add the complexities of cryptocurrencies, it can become even more confusing. Cryptotaxcalculator.io appears to provide a user-friendly interface, allowing you to connect your various exchange accounts and wallets to automatically import transaction data. This automation is crucial for saving time and reducing the risk of manual errors, which can be costly when dealing with tax calculations. While I haven't personally delved into the specific features of the French version, I anticipate that it offers similar functionalities to other language versions, such as generating tax reports tailored to French tax laws and regulations. This localized approach is essential for ensuring compliance and minimizing potential issues with tax authorities. It's important to remember that tax laws vary significantly from country to country, and even within regions. Therefore, using a platform that understands these nuances is crucial for accurate reporting. Cryptotaxcalculator.io's localization for French users demonstrates their commitment to catering to a global audience and providing a tailored experience for specific tax jurisdictions. Remember to always consult with a qualified tax professional for personalized advice based on your individual circumstances. While platforms like Cryptotaxcalculator.io can be immensely helpful, they are tools, and professional guidance is always recommended. For those of you dealing with cryptocurrency investments in France, this platform might be worth exploring. Be sure to check the description below for the link. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.